Yandra! CEO. You may have seen our posters up, live shows coming up. We're really excited about our live shows. On the
23rd of this month at O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's, everybody's
So
favorite
Suva,
motorhome.
O'Reilly's. Tickets can be purchased on Ticketmax
Ticketmax, yeah.
and at the Motor City.
Yep.
So if you're in Suva, Ticketmax, the Motor City, and for the West,
West is in Lautoka at Village 4 for those of you that are going to be traveling from Lautoka, or Ticketmax also for the West. Also, early bird tickets are out now, $30.
Yeah.
So early bird tickets are $30, the limited tickets, and then general admission is $40, and then at the door it'll be $50. So you might want to grab your tickets early. And there's a $100 VIP tickets with a lot of benefits coming with it. And, what about our price?